This video demonstrates how to use Opticole, the all-in-one privacy and security toolkit for Windows. After downloading your copy of the app, use the product key you received in your email to activate it. Once activated, several powerful security features will be available for you to use. Click the Stealth Mode button to enable Stealth Mode, which automatically sets privacy-enhancing settings throughout your computer. These settings are stored and can be reset by disabling Stealth Mode. The Scan Ports button is used to identify malicious processes accessing your computer via suspicious ports. These processes can be killed by entering the target port and clicking Close Port. Boost your computer's performance by clicking the Boost Now button. Finally, encrypt individual files or directories by entering their path in the text bar and clicking Encrypt. Encrypted files can be unlocked by using the Decrypt button in the new log file path. Thanks for watching. Download Opticole today by clicking the link in the description. Be sure to subscribe to hear about our upcoming software updates.